We've all tasted them at some point. A drop of sweat during a strenuous workout, or a single stray tear. At first they might seem similar, both salty. But if you've ever noticed a subtle difference, you weren't imagining it. The taste of tears and the taste of sweat are distinct, and the reason lies in their unique biological recipes and vastly different purposes. Let's start with tears. Produced by the lacrimal glands, their primary mission is noble to lubricate, protect, and cleanse the delicate surface of the eye. Their flavor profile is relatively pure. The base is water. The dominant taste of salt comes from sodium chloride, in a concentration similar to that of our blood. But the key ingredient, the one that sets tears apart, is a powerful enzyme called lysozyme. Lysozyme is an antibacterial agent, and its chemical structure imparts a unique, subtle bitterness. This is the signature note of a tear. And intriguingly, not all tears are the same. Basic tears keep our eyes moist. Reflex tears, like the ones you get from chopping an onion, are mostly water. But emotional tears, those born from grief, joy, or pain, are chemically complex. Studies suggest they can contain higher levels of stress hormones and proteins, potentially making their bitter signature even more pronounced. Now let's consider sweat. Its function is fundamentally different: thermoregulation. It's our body's built-in cooling system. While its base is also water and salt, the recipe here is far more complex. As sweat is excreted through millions of glands, it picks up a variety of compounds. You'll find urea, a byproduct of protein metabolism, which can break down into ammonia, contributing a sharp, pungent note. You'll find lactic acid from muscle exertion, adding a distinct sourness. But the true architect of sweat's complex flavor profile isn't just our body, it's the ecosystem on our skin. The proteins and fatty acids in sweat are a feast for the millions of bacteria that live on us. It is their metabolic process that produces the vast range of what we commonly recognize as body odor. So, to summarize the gustatory science, tears are essentially a sterile saline solution characterized by a bitter protein. Their composition is stable and pure. Sweat, on the other hand, is a variable and complex saline solution, defined by sour lactic acid and pungent ammonia, and transformed by our skin's bacteria. So the next time you taste one, you'll know. That tear is a drop of protected, salty sorrow with a hint of bitterness. And that sweat is a drop of hard-earned, salty effort, with a complex story of its own.